Here is something that can help you save a little bit more battery life, and it's known as AutoSync data for every account you have on your Samsung phone. Now, this is available for Android 12, 13, and 14 on your Samsung phone, and you're simply going to look for AutoSync and disable it. The fastest way to this main switch of auto sync, you'll use the quick access here and tap on the settings gear icon right there. Once in this section here now, you'll go ahead and use the search bar right there and type in the words auto sync. Now you'll see this part here and you can simply disable the switch from here, or if you tap in this section here, you're gonna get a view of all the emails and accounts that you're signed into on your Samsung phone. So if you wanna go ahead and check that out before continuing with this here, go ahead and do that. I just don't wanna show you my accounts here, but for the master switch to disable the auto sync, as you tap here, you will see this appear right there for you. And it's gonna say this will reduce data usage, which of course with this on, it's gonna be using up your mobile data if you are currently just connected with that. And of course, you can always do that with the Wi-Fi. However, it also does use some battery life, meaning that it's constantly automatically syncing. And if you don't want this to do that, running in the background and save yourself some battery life, just go ahead and turn it off. And perhaps maybe at the end of the day when you're home with your Wi-Fi and you're next to your charger to charge your phone at any given time, just come back here and turn it on and then it will continue automatically syncing your accounts like and so.